everyone, Jason Wallingford here with Trophy Properties and Auction. Today I'm down here just east of Dorado Springs, Missouri on the St. Clair County and Cedar County line on 1,533.1 surveyed acres that we're going to be selling at internet-only auction. Land represents some excellent hunting, recreation, and some real nice productive cropland right here on the Sac River.
The Show Me State. A place home to a terrain as diverse as the opportunities it provides. A place where a single estate in a particular area can offer crop acreage, ground suited for livestock, nearly every kind of hunting and recreation imaginable, all with the beauty to match. The 6 tracts range in size from 61 to 493 acres, each possessing unique features and multiple uses, with gently rolling woodland, tillable river bottoms, food plots, pasture land, cover, and deer, turkey, upland, and waterfowl hunting potential. Good access and plenty of build sites.
Bidding ends Wednesday, March 11th at 10 a.m. Complete details can be found at trophypa.com. Again, it's www.trophypa.com.
Spring Creek has something for everyone. For more information, call or text Jason Wallingford, 314-882-6971, or Jason Cleveland, 636-751-4579.